Hi, today we'll do powers and exponents chapter 2nd exercise few sums. See, this is the question here. This is the first main. Express the following numbers in standard form. See, these are numbers. We have to bring it in standard form. See, these are in decimal numbers. No point you have means there are decimal form. Now we'll bring this decimal form into standard form. To bring this decimal form into standard form, first this 0 will shift it here. We'll put it here. See, now we'll take here, all of it and bring it here. We'll take this point and bring it here. If we bring here the point, what will it become? It will become 8.5. See, if you bring this point here it will become 8.5. So upon 10. How many times we will divide 10 with this to get this answer? We have to count. See, we are shifting this 0 till here. No, there are how many digits here? From here till here, how many digits are there? See, 1, 2, you shift the 0 here, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. You shift it here. So 12 times. Now, this is plus 12. If there is no sign here, it is plus 12. Now we have to convert this plus 12 into minus 12. To put this in minus 12, what will we do? We'll shift it here, no? Upwards. If we shift it upwards, this division will become multiplication into 10. This plus 12, if it comes shift here, minus 12. So this is your final answer. Now like that only we'll do the second sum. See, this is the question. Now we will shift this 0 here, 9. So what will you get? Is equals to 9.42 you will get by 10 upon 10. Now how many times you have shifted here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here also 12 times. You brought the point here, so it's 12. 12. Now you will convert this into minus plus 12. And if you convert it, this division will become multiplication. So 9.42 into 10 raised to the power minus 12. So this is your answer. Now see, here in this question they haven't given you point itself. There is no point only here, no? They are not given you the point here. So you will assume the point. See, here all they gave you points. Now here you didn't get points only. So you will assume that the point is here, and you will shift this point here. See, there is no point here. You will assume that there is a point here and you will shift the point here. So if you shift the point here, what will it become? 6 point, right? 0.02. See, if you shift this point here till here, what will it become? 6.02. Now how much you have shifted? From here till here you have shifted, no? From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You shifted here. So how many zeros? 15, no? So you'll put, see, in this you don't have to put by. Why? Because they didn't give you point here. In these sums, you shifted the points here. Now in these sums, you don't have a point. You will assume here as a point and you should shift here this point here. So if you shift this side from this side, at that time you should not put upon. It is multiplication into 10. How many zeros we counted from here till here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. That's all. Simple, no? See, these were the decimal form. You converted this into standard form. See, you shifted the point here till here. So you got this plus 12. You will shift this plus 12, put it here and convert the sign as minus 12. If this plus 12 goes here, it will become minus 12. Even this is same. You shifted the point here and the plus 12 became minus 12. Here see, you didn't have a point. You didn't shift here till here. You shifted this point here till here. No? Here you shifted the point. So the answer will be in positive only. It will not be in negative. Now see, we'll do this next sum, next main. Here it was in decimal numbers, you converted in standard form. Now this is in standard form. This is already in standard form. You have to convert the standard form into fraction. So the question here is express the following numbers in decimal form. See, these are in standard form. We'll convert this into decimal form. To convert this into decimal form, what we have to do here, see, this point here will shift it here. How many times? 6 times. Now we'll see. Here we have this point, no? After point, how many digits? After point, only one digit is there, no? They're telling 6 digits. So you'll add zeros here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this point is shifted here. So where will you put the point here? This point, if you see from here, if you shift 6 times, here you'll get the point, no? After point, what will you put here? 0. Now see, this is 3, we copied from here. What is left here? 0 and 2 is there, no? So we'll copy here 0 and 2. So this is your answer of this standard form. This standard form, we brought it in decimal form. Now see, this is the question. 3 into 10. 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 8. So